Hi guys, it's always good to see you, and today we're starting our Google Drive video series. In today's session, I'm going to teach you three things. One is we're going to look at certain elements of the Google Drive platform. Number two is we're going to show you how to upload a file and a folder from your computer into Google Drive. And the last part will be where you learn how to create a folder in Google Drive. How fantastic is that? Right? So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you have your account open on your computer onto Google account. And if you're using a cell phone, just make sure that you have downloaded the Google Drive app. To our new guests, we want to say a big welcome to you and thanks for popping in here at School Corridor. This is the channel where we do everything to do with leadership, personal well-being, and we also do some sessions on web tools that you can use. So you are at the right place at the right time. So while you're getting ready there, we'll be back right after this. Good, we're ready to go. You are in your Google account on your computer. If you're on your phone, obviously you'll go directly into My Drive. But we're first going to work on the computer here. So once you're there, you just click on the app launcher and you'll get the drop-down menu with all the Google apps. You'll just scroll down until you get the triangle called Drive. Click on that icon and voila, we're in our Drive. Google will of course give you a message there and tell you that you can store all kinds of things here in Google Drive. Okay, I'm not going to explain all the icons on your menu bars. There are just certain ones that I want to focus on for this session. So the first one I want to focus on is the section called My Drive. Just remember that Google Drive is a storage app and Google gives us 15 gigs of free storage. That's a lot of space, especially if you're just using Google Drive for personal purposes. Okay, you can store about 15,000 different types of documents in Google Drive. And the different types of documents include documents like Word, Excel, PDF files. You can store images. You can just about store anything in Google Drive, right? You also get, you can store songs on here in Google Drive. Google Drive is like your mobile office. It's like your personal assistant, and you're going to see how powerful it is. So that is where our Drive section is, and that, like I said, whenever you upload something into Google Drive, that is where your documents or your files or your folders are going to be placed. And I'm repeating, you get 15 gigs of free storage from Google. Okay, if we click on My Drive, then you'll see different functions over there. And for our session today, only the first three apply. So the first one is, you can see there's a folder icon with a plus sign, and that says new folder. So you can create a new folder right here in Google. Then we get upload files and upload folder. Okay, those are the three functions that we're going to speak about today. And then the other functions or products that you see below, like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and if we activate more, then we'll see that there are more Google apps that we can access right here from the Drive. You don't even have to leave the Drive. Once you're in there, you can access your mail, you can access other Google apps right here from the Drive, because Google Drive is integrated with most of the other Google apps. So let's just click off that and let us move to the left hand side. You'll see the new button, that blue new button. If you click on the new button, then you'll see the very same elements are over there: folder, file, upload, folder, upload. Okay, that we saw in My Drive, and then of course the other Google products. So you can either click here by My Drive if you want to create a folder or upload a file or folder, or you can click on the button new and you can perform those functions from that as well, from the new button area as well. Okay, I want to just highlight this feature called stored. If, for example, you've got very important information in your drive and you want to highlight that folder or that file, then you can just add a star next to that file or folder and it will stand out from the rest. And then, of course, here at the bottom, you get upgrade storage. Now, like I explained, you get 15 gigs of storage. And in most cases, we don't really need more than 15 gigs. What you do need to remember is that your Gmail, all your mail in your Gmail also takes up some storage. So if you don't manage your Gmail account very well, then it can eat into your Google Drive storage that you get from Google for free. Okay, so once we've done that, let me just see what else we can mention here. This I'll talk about once we've uploaded. Okay, so let's go and see how do you upload a file into Google Drive. We'll click New. We'll say File Upload. That will take me right into my hard drive of my computer. I'll go into Documents and I want to upload this file called Humor, and it's a Word document, right? So I'll click on it. It says open, and what happens here at the bottom, right in the corner here, right hand corner, you see upload, and wow, there we have that document uploaded in my drive, right? How do you know that? You'll see there's a green tick and it will tell you that the one upload is completed. So we can go and check to see, is the document in our drive? Yes, there's our Humor School Corridor fun sheet. That is how easy it is. Let's see if we can upload a folder. Okay, let's go to upload a folder. We click on upload, folder upload. We go to our documents and I'm going to upload this folder called images. There are quite a few images in that one, so it might take a bit long. It wants to know whether I trust the source of that folder, and of course this is my computer, so I just said yes. Goodness me, that folder is quite big. It's taking 2 minutes to upload. But while that is uploading, let's just go to this right hand side here of the menu bar and we click on that I there, which means information. Now if you look at that, if you click on that icon, the information icon, then you'll see all the activities that you've done, right? So Google Drive also gives you a log of the activities that you perform, which is very useful because sometimes we perform so many actions in Google Drive, or you upload folders and you're not sure where it is. You can actually click on the information icon there and it will give you all the activities that you have performed in Google Drive. And what is nice, you'll see the time as well. You'll know exactly what time you were working in your drive. So we'll just click off that. And while those images are loading, I will speak to this icon over here. Can you see it says grid view? Okay. Now in your drive, you can arrange your files and folders either horizontally in a grid view. In other words, the more files you have, they'll be packed in a horizontal way in rows, or you could do what in my case I have there. If I want the grid view, can you see that? You'll see all the folders will be on top. That is a folder and this is a file. So the folders will line up here on the top bar, and if you have files, it will line up here in the second row. That would be the grid view. But if we want the list view, can you see that icon change to demonstrate that that is the list view? If we click on that, then your information will appear in a list like this. So you can see there's my folder, the images folder that we uploaded, and that is the Word document that we uploaded, which is called Humor School Corridor Fun Sheet. Let's just do another upload of another file, but let's upload a PDF document. Okay, so I'm in my document. I'm going to go in my documents and I'm going to look for a very specific file that you may be getting as a special gift once you have completed the session. So let me just see where it is. And here it is. I'm going to click on that. And once I click on that, can you see there? It's Teach Like a Champion, the ebook. An amazing book that teachers can use. You know, after years of teaching, we can become so rusty, we can become so jaded that we forgot all those amazing strategies we use to help the learners learn better, and how to make our lessons interesting. And the Teach Like a Champion, if you've never ever read this book, then I would strongly advise that you read this book and try to implement some of the strategies. Okay, we can even use some of those strategies when we want to present sessions to, or lessons or talks to people. So I'm going to upload that Teach Like a Champion, and like I said, that's going to be your special gift that I'm going to give to you. And here you can see at the bottom, here you get a progress bar. So we can see we uploaded humor, we uploaded the images folder, and we uploaded Teach Like a Champion. And so we've got about a minute left, and then we should be able to see the Teach Like a Champion also in our Google Drive. So let's, while we're waiting for that one to upload, it's almost done. Yes, it's done. There you can see images, your folder, and then we've got the two documents that we uploaded, humor, and we uploaded Teach Like a Champion. Okay, so now I've showed you how to upload a file, which is pretty easy. I've showed you how to upload a folder from your computer, and now I'm going to show you how to create a new folder. So we've used the blue button to perform all these functions. Now we're going to use the Drive button, because we have the same functions over there. We're just showing you the different ways, or not the different ways, but the different parts you can take, right? There's the create a new folder. So we click on that, and then we get this window appearing, new folder, and it says create. So we're going to give our folder a name, and I'm going to call this folder School Corridor Gift for Teachers, Teacher Leaders. A rather long name for the file, and I'm going to say create. Alright, so you've created a new folder, and if you want to place files and other documents in this folder, then you follow the exact same process that we showed. The only thing is you activate this folder, you'll see it's empty, so it says drop files here, or use the new button. So we can use the new button, and we can go to file upload, and then we can choose whichever file or folder we want to place within that folder, which is currently in Google Drive. Okay, I'm just going to press cancel, because I'm not going to put anything from my hard drive into this folder. Let me go back to my drive. What I want to do is I want to place these current documents that I have here in my drive. I want to place it in the folder, because this is your gift, and this is what you're going to get if you follow the link that I'm going to give you in the description box below, and you'll have a super gift of Teach Like a Champion and some humor that you can use to uplift your spirits. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. All I have to do is click on the document, and then I can just drag it and place it in the folder. Right, you'll see it disappeared, and at the bottom here on the left hand side you'll see humor. That document has been moved from my drive to the School Corridor Gift for Teachers folder. I'm going to do likewise with this one. I'm going to just click on it and then drop it into the folder, and I'll get a similar message that tells me that that document has moved into the folder. So that's it, guys. There you've learned how to do those three functions. You can now upload all your files, you can upload your your folders, and you can then access that on your phone, in your staff room, in your classroom, wherever you are. Good, there you have it. I just want to give you 2 tips that you can use. The one important tip is that Google auto save, so you don't have to worry about saving your document. Every time you upload a document, every time you want to remove a document, Google will save that action automatically. Okay, and tip number 2, which I think is very important, especially when you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or you don't have data, something which is very common for us here in South Africa. I want you to just go to settings on the computer. There's the gear, the settings gear. Click on that settings gear. You go to settings, and I want you to move down to the word offline. Okay, if you want to make a file or a folder offline, you just have to ensure that you have a tick in this box over here. But you'll see that I'm already using the offline feature with my other Google account. So I have this little dash in my block or my square over there. Right, you'll put a click there, and then you'll have access to those documents, whether you're in the classroom, in the staff room, on the sports field, just about everywhere. You'll basically have an office on the go. How fantastic is that? Right? Google Drive makes it possible for you to take all your files and your documents anywhere and everywhere. Okay, so you have access to it at any time of the day, 24/7 if you want to. Right, so we'll just close that because we have now reached the end of our session, guys. So congratulations, you are now a Google Driver. You have your own mobile office that you can take anywhere, any place, and anytime. Guys, if you really enjoyed this video and you would like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe by just pressing the subscribe button below. And if you think there are other friends of yours, colleagues, family will enjoy what we're doing on the channel, then do spread the word, because sharing is caring. And so all I have to say now after this amazing session is just continue flying along those corridors, flipping your staff room, and creating magic in all the spaces where you find yourself. Till next time.